Welcome home to 2014 Rosedale Lane in the heart of Huntington, Maryland. This 5-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom home sits on over 1.1 acres and has over 6,000 square feet of living space, currently listed at $1,025,000. Now let's start at the beginning, this beautiful grand foyer. Now imagine it, empty and ready for your style. Formal dining room, cleared for your next dinner party. The home office, perfect for remote home or changing to something more flexible. Now a blank canvas, half bath for guests. Now the living room, fireplace, open flow, all yours to design. Now let's move over to the breakfast nook and all this morning light. Imagine how you would use this space and enjoy your coffee here, for example. And this kitchen, gourmet ready, now completely open. Sunroom off the back deck, perfect for indoor-outdoor living. Step outside to the deck. Entertain or just breathe. Upstairs, the primary suite, sitting room, walk-in closet, spa bath, ready for you to make it your own retreat. Bedroom 2 with its own bath, guest ready or perfect for multifamily generational living. Bedroom 3, now you can make it yours. Bedroom 4, endless options. Upstairs laundry, hall bath, every detail covered. Let's go to the lower level. This is where it gets fun. Recreation room, game day central, full bar, your weekend spot. Bedroom number 5, private and quiet. This used to be the media room, but with the closet added, this becomes extra flex space. And that gym, no gym membership required. Utility and storage, keep it all organized. Back outside, patio, backyard space to live, 3-car garage, and one more look at 2014 Rosedale Lane. Schedule your showing today.